batokorera twaruororo bwangu
ngoripoteria Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV litaliane Mildred Momanyi
Mbia muno murikito umirudedi mumanyi hasoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano gotigara bo igasama ngana regetese myasiritu kulira boro kiwa sentunde ntanga ni bare go so form 1 ne bare kolke sannaisa to ni go bonasi skuru ya Sironga bo igaboro kiwa banyara go sororo igekoto kumanyuga bune skuru ya Sironga tie skuru chigirigeti uchikulikia boro kiwa bange ananaso omwako yo igabali bago chigosoa asekera segia kenda bible na bo igo na bali mukuru skuru yo ni go bali kanirikia ndege 10 aboro kiwa bali baba go chora na go so skuru yo anene aseri tuko lya lero.
My name is Mrs. Odhiambo, Principal Sironga Girls. Today we are receiving Form 1s for the year 2023. For now I would say we are almost a full house. The government gave us 562 girls. And as at now, over 400 have reported. So we are looking to receive 98% by the end of the day today. We have not had much of a challenge because the process is seamless. We also have engaged the security personnel from the immediate sub-county, that is Nyamira, to help us in managing traffic and both human and motor vehicle traffic.